Welcome to your Brickbreaker tutorial. The therapeutic goal of this activity is to practice uncoupling flexion and extension movements that are critical to successfully engaging in your daily activities. Your goal is to try to score as many points as possible by bouncing the ball vertically towards the bricks to break them. During this activity, your movements control a paddle on the bottom of the screen. At the beginning, the device will start by providing a little assistance. This will move your hand up. Moving your hand up into extension will move the paddle to the right. Moving your wrist down into flexion will move your paddle to the left. If you have difficulty moving to hit the ball, the device will detect this and will begin to provide help to you. Just keep trying as hard as you can.